Hey friends, welcome to our new channel. The story is famous writer Leo Tolstoy focusing on morality, simplicity, and the quiet power of inner transformation. Let's start. The chapter name is The Empty Chair. In a quiet Russian village, nestled between tall pines and rolling fields, lived a cobbler named Pavel. He was old, bent with years, and known for saying little. Through his eyes had stories. He lived alone in a modest hut where he fixed worn shoes and mended broken soles. Every morning, villagers passed by his shop and saw a curious sight: an empty wooden chair placed across the table from Pavel. It was always clean, always set as if waiting for someone. One young boy, Alexei, once asked Master Pavel, "Who is the chair for?" Pavel only smiled. "For a guest," he said simply. The villager made stories. Some said Pavel was waiting for his dead wife. Others claimed it was a saint who once visited. But Pavel never explained. Years passed and Pavel's health began to fail. Yet every morning he swept the snow off the stoop, lit his fire, and set out a warm cup of tea, one for himself, one for the guest who never come. One evening, a terrible snowstorm blew in. Villager stays inside, shutters closed, firewood burning fast. But in that storm, a poor traveler wandering into the village, thin, weak, and frozen. No one answered his knocks, afraid he might bring sickness. At last, he reached Pavel's hut and knocked. Pavel opened the door without asking a question. He helped the man inside, gave him dry clothes, hot soap, and let him rest. That night, the traveler looked at the empty chair and asked, "Why do you always keep that seat ready?" Pavel replied, "I keep it for God or anyone he might send." The traveler, with tears in his eyes, whispered, "Then tonight God has come." The next morning, the storm passed. Villager emerged and hurried to Pavel's hut, worried he might not have survived. But they found two empty chairs. Pavel had passed peacefully in his sleep, and the traveler was gone. On the table was a note in simple handwriting: "Let your door always open, for you never known when you host an angel." From that day on, many in the village kept a chair by their tables and remembered the quiet cobbler who never preached but whose life became a sermon. Moral: true goodness is not in words but in readiness to serve, to love, and to welcome the unknown with open hands. Thank you for watching.